All right, welcome to a little bench press tutorial here. We're going to go over a few things to help you get the most out of this lift. Okay, so number one, and maybe the most important that many newer lifters are missing, is a good set of the shoulder blades, kind of really engaging lats and setting a good kind of shelf of stability for the press. So Peter's going to put his hands on the bar, almost pull himself up a little bit, and kind of wedge his shoulders down and back. Okay, and then kind of lay down on them in that position and keeping that tension. So his lats are engaged. You can see some kind of tension back in here as he's keeping his shoulder blades pulled down and back. Okay, from there he's now going to get his hands set to his ideal grip width. For most people that may be anywhere from kind of a thumb width away to the edge of the bar, edge of the knurling, pardon me, or maybe even like pinky to ring finger on the ring out here. But that's wherever your forearm gets to a nice vertical position the whole time, where you're not out here, not in here. That's just from watching someone bench, that's how we can tell you right away whether they're using the right grip width for them or not. Okay, so he's got that lat tension, that shoulder blade tension, his grip set. He's now going to pull his feet back a little bit and kind of wedge them into the platform a little bit. That's going to help him create just some stability through his whole body. He's almost feeling like he's kicking through the platform as if he would do this if his foot popped out. Okay? Now that he has that full body stability, he's going to bend the bar to engage his lats even further as if he was going to bend it this way and then unrack the bar. And then keeping all that tension, he's going to pull it down towards his sternum and drive up and away. Okay, so his chest is not moving at all the whole time. He's keeping himself nice and stable. There's not a big collapse of that position that he works so hard to get set into. That stability is going to allow him to press a lot of weight. Okay, many people who don't do all this work in this setup, they might get to a certain point and hit a little wall just because they don't have the stability to go further. So if you have not done this before, it might feel like more work. It might feel harder at first just because it's new, but this is the key towards being able to do more down the road. Okay, enjoy.